Guys, Kyle here from Vacation Rentals Miami Brief Homes. This is my dog Delilah. Say hi. Delilah, say hi to the people. She's super cute and adorable. You know, I could keep her here all day, but I can't at the same time. So today we're talking about reviews. I'm gonna tell you guys a quick little story. Delilah, tell them the story. So we had a client that stayed with us about 3 months ago. She had a horrible experience. And by horrible, I mean she left us a 1-star review. This is a Airbnb reservation. The review was very, very detailed. Now, we have never received we've never received a 1-star review before. And this is horrible. She ripped us apart. You know, some lights weren't working. She didn't think there was enough towels or soaps and shampoos. The list goes on. She said some light bulbs are out. You know, she was a bit complaining, I'm not gonna lie, but at the end of the day, we gave her things to complain about. So it's our fault completely, okay? So when something like this happens, we try to turn it around. So we invited her back to Miami, and we comped her stay, and we upgraded her to a nicer unit. I'm here personally waiting for her to get here because I'm going to check her in myself, give her a tour of the place, shake her hand, and I gave her a free bathrobe, a really cool high-end bathrobe as a gift. You know, she can take home with her. And we're going to try to turn that 1-star review around to a 5-star review. This is someone that travels to Miami 4 to 5 times a year. So this is a great client for us to have. Any client is a great client, but frequent travelers are the best clients. All right, so every time she comes in town, we can take care of her. But she's not going to do that with a 1-star experience. So we invited her back. We're going to give her a 5-star experience, and hoping we can make her a lifetime client of ours, right? And that's the goal. It's about turning around the bad experiences into good experiences, no matter what, all right? And that's the game that we're playing. We're in the hospitality business. We're in the people business. We're here to take care of people, make sure they have a great time, right, Dee? Yep, she knows, all right? So turn those 1-star reviews around to 5-star reviews, show clients a great time, and never let a 1-star review hang out there, okay? You don't want to do that. It's a bad idea. But thank you guys for watching IGTV Brief Homes. Hi, Justine, thank you so much for coming back out.
Thank you.
All right. She was with us before. It's her second stay. She's going to have a fantastic time. Everything's off to a good start.
Yep.
All right. So this is her daughter-in-law, or her son's girlfriend. I helping her out. That's Delilah. That's Justine. And thank you. Pound it. You guys see me back there? Boom. Boom. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.